Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So last class we have started with osteosarcoma. We have seen that is arise from mesenchymal stem cells, and then we have seen that genetic influence, that is loss of p53 tumor suppressor gene, loss of retinoblastoma tumor suppressor gene, and independence from regulation by platelet derived growth factor. Then we have seen the peculiar radiographic features, the sun ray appearance, Carrington sign, extracortical bone formation and cortical bone destruction. They are mixed radio-opaque or radiolucent lesion or mottled radio-opaque lesion. And mandibular is more commonly affected than maxilla. That's what we have seen till today. We'll be starting and discussing आगे का. Let's start. Now we have started this in last class. Let me explain this. Saying the pluripotent mesenchymal stem cell can give rise to all connective tissue lineage. तो जितने भी connective tissue lineage होते हैं, चाहे bone हो, cartilage जो भी हो, तो pluripotent mesenchymal stem cells they give rise to all connective tissue lineage. Lineage means उनका प्री ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट, मान लो वो बोन को दे रहे हैं तो प्री ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट, प्रो ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट, तो उनका जो लीनिएज होता है तो इट गिव rise to all connective tissue lineages. The bone lineage can become neoplastic at any stage. The earlier the stage, the more malignant and high grade tumor will be. तो जितना early ये neoplastic change होगा स्टेज पे, उतने more malignant cell होंगे और high grade tumor होंगे. early मतलब कम, like they are undifferentiated cell, they are less differentiated cell, undifferentiated cell और less differentiated cell. तो जितने undifferentiated या less differentiated cell होंगे, जितना early stage होगा उतने malignant की tendency ज़्यादा होगी और high grade tumor की tendency ज़्यादा होगी. In later stage, that is the more differentiated the cell is, the low grade tumor and benign tumors are considered. Okay, that's clear. Now coming to differential diagnosis, there is a huge list of differential diagnosis. Now osteomyelitis with proliferative periostitis, chronic sclerosing osteomyelitis, suppurative osteomyelitis. So these all three are inflammatory lesions kind of. So inflammatory diagnosis will be this. Now coming to osteoblastoma, ossifying fibroma, cavernous hemangioma, they all appears like osteosarcoma radiographically. Ameloblastic fibroadenoma, fibrous dysplasia, Paget's disease. Okay, so radiographically they appear similar. Now a clinical differential feature is neurosensory loss. CT scan show extracortical bone and destroyed cortex at right angles. So the clinical differentiation is the neurosensory loss, जो सिर्फ malignant lesion में होता है. कभी कभी in later stage osteomyelitis में हो सकता है, but not. And the main differentiation is this osteomyelitis. We have to differentiate osteosarcoma from osteomyelitis. Now CT scan show extracortical bone and destroyed cortex at right angles. Okay, now whereas in osteomyelitis the extracortical bone with intact cortex, ऑस्टियोसार्कोमा में जो कॉर्टेक्स होगा वो डिस्ट्रक्शन होगा कॉर्टेक्स का, लेकिन ऑस्टियोमाइलाइटिस में कॉर्टेक्स का डिस्ट्रक्शन नहीं होगा. दो देयर इज एक्स्ट्राकॉर्टिकल बोन फॉर्मेशन इन बोथ ऑस्टियोसार्कोमा एंड ऑस्टियोमाइलाइटिस, but the cortex is intact in osteomyelitis, whereas the destruction of cortex is seen in osteosarcoma. And they produce palate to the, जो extracortical bone formation होता है वो palate to the cortex होता है, whereas in osteomyelitis it is at the right angle. Whereas in osteosarcoma it is at right angle. In osteomyelitis the extracortical bone formation is parallel to the cortex, and in osteosarcoma it is at right angle to the cortex. ओके, एक्स्ट्राकॉर्टिकल बोन फॉर्मेशन दोनों में होगा, लेकिन ऑस्टियोसार्कोमा में कॉर्टेक्स इन इंटैक्ट कॉर्टेक्स नहीं दिखेगा, कॉर्टेक्स का डिस्ट्रक्शन होगा. वेयर इज इन ऑस्टियोमाइलाइटिस वी कैन सी इंटैक्ट कॉर्टेक्स. एंड जो ये एक्स्ट्रा कॉर्टिकल बोन प्रोड्यूस होंगे दैट इज पैरेलल टू द कॉर्टेक्स इन ऑस्टियोमाइलाइटिस एंड दैट इज राइट एंगल in osteosarcoma. That's all for today. We'll be discussing this in next class. Till then, like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.